Cats are naturally very good at hiding pain or illness to avoid becoming prey in the wild.
Oh.
And unfortunately, this means that they can sometimes hide their illnesses from us too. So it's up to us as owners to learn how to read their subtle signs so we can get them treatment in time. That's why in today's video we're going to be learning about 10 subtle signs that your cat is sick but trying to hide it. If you do notice any of these signs in your cat, then make sure to take them to the vet straight away, because early detection and treatment is vital for a better outcome. Number 1, they spend most of their days sleeping. If your cat has been spending most of their days sleeping lately and seems less active than usual, this could be a sign that they're feeling sick. Cats usually like to be little explorers and love to spend their days playing and being curious about their surroundings. So if they've suddenly become sleepy and don't want to play anymore, this could mean something isn't right. It could be a sign that they're dealing with something like a fever, an infection, parasites, dental disease, kidney disease, or even cancer. Any of these can cause lethargy and a loss of appetite, which would explain why they'd want to sleep more often. No. 2, their gums are pale. The color of your cat's gums can tell you a lot about their overall health. Healthy cats should have pink gums that are slightly pigmented, especially around the edges. So if their gums start to look paler or even white, this could mean that they're anemic. This could be due to a number of different things, including internal bleeding, a recent blood loss, or even something simple like iron or B12 deficiencies. But either way, it's definitely something that needs to be checked out by a vet. No. 3, their eyes are cloudy. Just like their gums, the whites of your cat's eyes should be clear and bright white. So if they start to look cloudy, hazy, or even blue in appearance, this could be a sign that there's something wrong with their eyes or their vision. Could be a sign of cataracts, glaucoma, inflammation, or even something more serious like a corneal ulcer. So if you notice any cloudiness in their eyes, make sure to get this checked out by a vet straight away, as it could be affecting their vision. No. 4, their pupils are dilated. A cat's pupils will dilate in response to light, and they constrict when they re-expose to a dark environment. However, if you notice that their pupils are dilated all the time, even in a dark room, this could be a sign that they're sick or in pain. Dilated pupils can be caused by stress, fear, and excitement. But if none of these seem to be the case, and their pupils remain dilated, this could be a sign of an underlying medical condition, such as brain trauma, a stroke, a tumor, pain medications, or even poisoning. So if you notice that your cat's pupils are dilated all the time, make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. No. 5, they're losing their appetite. Cats can go without food for longer than dogs, but they still need to eat regularly to stay healthy. So if your cat has been eating less than usual, this could be a cause for concern. Cats usually have regular eating patterns, so any sudden changes could be a sign that they're not feeling well. A loss of appetite can be caused by a wide range of different issues, including stress, dental problems, a recent change in their diet, or something more serious like an infection, cancer, or kidney disease. In some cases, a loss of appetite can also be a side effect of certain medications. So if you're noticing that your cat isn't eating as much as usual, try to figure out if there's any other symptoms they might be showing along with it. Then make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. No. 6, they've lost weight. Cats require a certain amount of body fat in order to stay healthy. Being underweight can affect their immune system and put them at risk of a number of health complications. And while some cats like to keep themselves trim, others may lose weight without even realizing it. So if you notice that your cat has lost weight recently and they not on a special diet, this could be a sign that they're sick. Weight loss can be caused by a number of different things, including hyperthyroidism, diabetes, parasites, stress, and even cancer. So if you notice that your cat has lost weight without you changing their diet, make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. No. 7, they have a runny nose or sneezing fits. If your cat has a runny nose or keeps having sneezing fits, this could be a sign of a respiratory infection. Cats can catch colds and flu just like humans, and these usually clear up on their own within 10 to 14 days. However, if their nose starts to run constantly, they start to make a gurgling sound while breathing. Or if they have a complete loss of appetite, then this could be a sign of something more serious. This could be pneumonia, asthma, feline herpes virus, or even feline leukemia. So if you notice that your cat's runny nose or sneezing fits are getting worse, then make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. No. 8. They're drinking more water than usual. Cats need to drink water regularly in order to stay hydrated and to help flush out toxins in their body. But if you notice that they're drinking way more water than usual, this could be a sign that they're sick. Cats may drink more water if they have diabetes, kidney disease, a recent bout of diarrhea, or if they're on a high-protein diet. So if you notice that your cat is drinking way more water than usual, then make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. No. 9. Their litter box habits have changed. Cats usually use their litter boxes without fail, but sometimes they can have accidents. Usually this is due to stress, a recent change in their routine, or if they don't like their litter box. However, if they stop using their litter box altogether, this could be a sign that they're sick. A blockage in their urinary tract, or even a simple urinary tract infection, can cause them to stop using their litter box. If you notice that your cat hasn't used their litter box in a couple of days, then make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. Number 10. They're grooming themselves excessively. Cats spend a lot of their time grooming themselves, and this is important for their health because it helps remove dirt and dead hair. It also stimulates blood flow and helps control their temperature. However, if you notice that they're grooming themselves way more than usual, this could be a sign that they're trying to soothe irritated skin caused by allergies, parasites, or maybe even a recent change in their diet. Cats who groom themselves excessively can end up with no hair loss or even abrasions on their skin. So if you notice that your cat is grooming themselves more than usual, try to find out what's causing it. And if you can't find anything, then make sure to take them to the vet for a checkup. Did you relate to any of these? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with those who might benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video is posted. The references and studies used in this video are added in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.